All enterprises involved in arranging leisure vacations via the utilization of cruise ships are referred to as the cruise industry. This would include cruise lines and cruise operators as well as companies engaged in construction of cruise ships. In addition, several entertainment businesses that specialize in ship entertainment are included.
Because lodging is supplied on board, the cruise business is analogous to the hotel sector in many aspects. This implies that the cruise business employs a wide range of individuals, including cruise ship members, service employees, performers, and even cruise ship hotel management.
The term cruise lines refers to a firm that owns and operates cruise ships and offers cruise to paying passengers. Customers may normally anticipate a cabin on the cruise ships, some sort of entertainment, access to meals, occasionally on an all-inclusive basis, and the ship to travel on a specified itinerary as part of the cruise fare.
With this in mind, Global Cruise Lines operates in a unique sector where they are a part of travel business, the entertainment industry, and the leisure industry, as well as adapting hotel management features.
Cruise ships and cruise lines are very different from passenger ships and passenger lines. The main difference between the two is that the cruise lines would provide round journey with a primary focus on enjoyment, while passenger lines are more concerned with traveling from one place to another.
The majority of cruise ships are owned by just three corporations, which accounted for 75% of the global cruise sector. Carnival Corporation comes in the top, followed by Royal Caribbean Group and Norwegian Cruise Line Holding, with the Mediterranean Shipping Company or MSC coming in the fourth.
The cruise business, which began in the 1960s with the growth of North American industry, has grown in popularity, becoming a key element of the tourist industry and achieving a level of global economic significance.
The cruise ship industry rapid growth and specialization over the last few decades had an impact on the exterior and interior of modern cruise ships in order to satisfy an increasingly diverse and quality-conscious clientele that demands the most diversified service with assurance of satisfaction and excellence, while also providing solutions to grow number of passengers.
Similarly, a number of boats controlled by firms and groups unconnected to the cruise industry have been modified or retrofitted to provide cruise services to customers seeking unique experiences in recent years. These different kinds of cruise ships are dedicated to displaying the many types of vessels and ships used to provide cruise and excursions services in the world's seas, oceans, rivers, and lakes.
So first, we're going to discuss the mainstream cruise ship. It is the most prevalent and well-known type of cruise ship, promoted as floating resort development and outfitted to meet the demand of the majority of cruise passenger by most business in the industry. Restaurant, bars and pubs, nightclubs and discos, shopping areas, theaters and cinemas, galleries and museum, libraries, casino, personal care areas with gyms and spas, swimming pool, and other sports facilities are available on these vessels, which can accommodate between 850 and 3,000 passengers.
Second is the mega cruise ship. Mega cruise ships can seat more than 5,000 passengers and are now the world's largest and most advanced boats. Third is the ocean cruise ship, a type of cruise ship constructed to higher standards than more typical boats, with significantly more robust architecture and more durable construction to handle the particularly severe conditions of lengthy and global journey at the sea.
Fourth is the luxury cruise ship, the most complex and technologically advanced navigational system, High standard features and lavish accommodations are all standards on luxury cruise ships.
Fifth is the small cruise ship. Smaller cruise ships with less than a few hundred passengers on board provide a more personal and suiting experience in less known locations. Sixth is the adventure cruise ship. Adventure cruise ships are built and equipped to provide services such as a trip to distant locations that are often unavailable to large vessels. Seventh is the expedition cruise ship. Specially constructed ships or specially modified research or icebreaker boats managed by specialist enterprises to provide an exclusive experience in distant location to their consumers.
Lastly is the river cruise ship. River cruise ships have a maximum capacity of few hundred passengers and constructed specifically for navigating rivers and interior waterways. It is considered that there are two main elements when trying to define the exact nature of the cruise experience: the on-board services and facilities, and the cruise itinerary. That is all. Thank you for listening.